This is my third Facilitation Matters festival, and every single time the energy is electric.
It's awesome. There's so much energy. There are so many beautiful conversations. The people are just so open and willing to engage. It's Friday afternoon and I'm still ready to go. I could do another day.
Oh, it was amazing. Got out of my comfort zone and I really enjoyed connecting with a whole lot of people that I would never have met before.
So it's now going to look and sound like clap 2 3, clap 2 3, clap 2 3, as fast and as accurate as possible. Would you like to start on me? 2. All right, you got the idea. Give it a go.
It's been hugely helpful. I've come away with lots of ideas, more connections, a bit of a reinvigoration for me and my business.
It's given me confidence, and I've even had feedback from people that have come to previous workshops saying how different my facilitation style is, how much better it is.
There's lovely rhythm in here and everyone's so welcoming. I'm learning, I'm connecting with different people. Yeah, it's really filling my bucket.
When people go, oh, what would you do to do X, Y, Z? And the answer is always, it all depends. And so recognising that you don't have to follow that normal format in your workshops and your sessions and your trainings, whatever it is that you're facilitating, what's going to be right for your group at this moment and this time in this context.
Kerry's awesome. She's so full of energy, lots of encouragement. She's always happy to bounce ideas, give you advice, and we nickname her the godmother of facilitation.
Whenever she speaks, you learn something from her. So 2 full days of her and people that she's handpicked to learn more from is just an amazing opportunity.
The more we can dig under the surface and really find what's going on and what's holding us back, the more perspective we have and the easier it is to make good decisions and move forward.
It's great. 40 years experience. I've been to a lot of these sorts of things, and it's always that hesitancy when you come in as a bit of an outsider, you don't know many people, but it's been such a wonderful, warm and welcoming environment and got to know a lot of people.
You're suddenly kind of welcomed into a group of friends. It's basically friends you just haven't quite yet met.
Everybody is here to support and guide everyone. There's no competition, there's no scarcity mindset. It's all abundance. How can I be generous? How can I give you other things?
This is my third festival. It's built so much confidence in what I do.
Whoever's watching this, you are definitely missing out if you don't attend.
It's always amazing to be part of this. So thank you, Kerry.